This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round. We are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the game number 3 for our long weekend action. As we can see here, the Mabalacat City MCG Cares and the rest of their team here hoping to bounce back from their loss, and here they will face off Bayung PORAC coming from a heartbreaking loss against a Palit I Love It last Friday. Our game at hand, Mabalacat City MCG Cares kontra Bayung PORAC. Isang magandang tanghali po mga kabalen. Ako po si Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me is a basketball enthusiast and the SLA, one of the SLA producer, Billy Ray De Leon.
Thank you, Pen. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Magandang hapon din sa ating mga kabalen.
Magandang hapon, Direct Bill. So, tingnan natin dito. Pero bago yun, pwede nyo pong tutukan mga kabalen itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. At syempre, meron din po tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. At huli po, pwede nyo rin po itong tutukan sa ating Sinag Liga TV sa YouTube din po. And here, tignan muna natin kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang koponan na maglalaban para sa ngayong araw.
Yes, ating next game, ang Mabalacat, ang anim, 3 to 4 na kinakailangan nila umangat for this game. And ang kabilang PORAC naman, kabilang team, nasa 9, 3 to 4 at kailangan din nilang makuha ang panalong ito.
So yun nga, Billy, galing sila sa parehong talo on their last game at wag na natin tong patagalin. Coming up is the battle between Mabalacat City Cares kontra Bayung PORAC. And now I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our Delta Cup starters of the game.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partners Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. Our third game for this afternoon, it's the battle between Mabalacat City MCG Cares and your Bayung PORAC. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Starting at guard number 6, Job Dizon. Also at guard number 16, MJ Elopsa. At forward number 10, Nico Tipino. The other forward number 0, JP Malyari. And center number 12, Kim Arzilia. Head coach for Mabalacat City is Homer Pascual. Assistant coaches, Rodel Lanzang, Roland Pascual, Jordan Biray, and June Dueñas. Your Mabalacat City. And now let's meet the starters for your Bayung PORAC. Point guard number 11, Tristan Tubangi. Shooting guard number 15, Joren Gegante. Small forward number 6, Mon Rodriguez. Also at forward number 18, Alfie Ocampo. And center number 9, Gian Cruz. Bayung PORAC is led by Coach Arvin Ibay. Assistant coaches Lloyd Rivera and Larry Carlos. Your Bayung PORAC. Game officials charged in action, Michael Galutera, John Panayat, and Andrew Publico. This is your Delta 2023.
As here, the starters of City of Mabalacat, we have Dizon, Elospa, Arcilia, Tipino, Malyari, at para sa panig ng Bayung PORAC, Tubangi, Gigante, Cruz, Rodriguez, and Ocampo. See here, tingnan natin, Billy, kung kanina mapupunta ang unang ball possession. Out of bounds.
Unang tip.
Inbound for Mabalacat.
There you go. Wala pa Mabalacat kagad tayo.
The 3-point is no good for Mabalacat. Rodriguez. An easy basket for Rodriguez.
Agang pass break naman nun for number 11.
Here, Mabalacat trying to get their first basket of the quarter. The 3-point is no good. And a tap there for the side of Bayung PORAC as we take a look on the replay on that pass and that drive
Libre, walang bumantay.
for
Kay number 6.
Rodriguez.
Ito na ulit, tumatakbo, kabilang team.
That pass is no good. Elospa rather. Still no good, in and out.
Grabe, dalawang big man. Galing ng Luwid 1. MJ Elospa and Malyari. Napakabigat na team na to kung tutuusin. Parehas both may experience from 21 under.
As nasasabi mo yan, Billy, what do you think of the future nitong team ng Bayung PORAC?
PORAC actually, eto si Gigante, mabigat na kalaban to eh. Kung hindi mo to babantayan, for sure i-scorean ka na, i-scorean yan. So, advice ko kay Coach Homer na guwadyan maigi to si Gigante. Dahil kung hindi, for sure, yan. Kakamada yan.
Yes, and nasa basket there for Mabalacat.
And kung di ako nagkakamali, ilang beses na nag-best player yan dito.
Medyo itong Bayung PORAC, medyo kinapos lang sila ng first game nila nung Friday eh, against Apalit, I Love It, di ba direct? Di ba,
Oo.
Billy? Kasi nung last time, lamang sila nun eh, di ba? Tapos nahabol lang ng Apalit, I Love It.
Kulang lang talaga sa big man ng PORAC. Pero kung tutuusin ito, mga small guards nila, mabibilis yan. Lalo na ito si Gigante. Proven yan.
And kung titignan natin, nasa same spot lang sila sa standing eh.
Yes, same spot lang. Kaya kinakailangan nila makuha itong panalong to.
3 wins and 4 losses. At kung sino man ang manalo sa kanila dito ay panigurado will advance on the seeding on our bracket A.
Yes, man.
As here, a free throw for
Ocampo. One out of two for
one out
Ocampo.
of 2 for Alfie Ocampo. And a steal there.
Lane violation.
But a step out of the line.
By Tison. Nice kick out by number 11. Number 10 rather, sorry. Obviously.
That's number 6. It's Ramon
Number 6, sorry.
Gonzalez. Masyado kasing maliwanag dito sa BREN eh. Easy basket sana yun para sa Mabalacat, but they still get the rebound.
3 seconds ang tinawag ni Coach.
Violation for Mabalacat. 6 minutes
Coach
and 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. 6-2 in favor of Bayung PORAC. Actually, Billy, yung loss nila from Apalit, I love it. Talagang gigil yan dito eh. Kasi lamang na sila ng mga oras na yun.
And for sure lalo, tong game na to manggigigil yan dahil kailangan nila makakuha ng panalo para kahit paano umangat sila
Tama.
sa posisyon nila.
But then, a line violation again for the side of Bayung PORAC.
Turnover by Gigante.
A ball possession for the side of Mabalacat. Clear passes. Almost a miss pass there. And a buzzer beater for Joff.
No traveling call.
Decent.
Yes.
It's no good now for Ramon Rodriguez.
Turnover by MJ Elospa. First substitution. Manaloto in.
Billy, diba dapat ang one thing na iniingatan dito ng Bayung PORAC is yung mga turnover nila.
Yes, yes.
Kasi yun yung naging dahilan kung bakit nakahabol sa kanila at naka-keep up
Yes.
sa kanila yung
Malaking bagay talaga
Apalit
yan.
nung first game nila ng Friday.
Dapat yan ang iniiwasan. Mga turnovers.
As I mentioned there, MJ Elospa just draws the first 3 shots of the quarter. And an easy basket for Gian Cruz.
Nice pass. Nice effort by number 11.
4 minutes and 50 seconds, 9-8 in favor of Mabalacat. A miss pass there for
Turnover
Malyari.
again by Malyari.
Asir. Tubangi. Tubangi throws his first 3 shot, no good. A rebound there for MJ Elospa. MJ Elospa, Billy, is quite a great center there. You see that pass from Malyari.
Gandang connection nun.
But an easy basket there for Ramon Rodriguez with 4 defenders, ha? Ang tatangkad pa ng mga bantay niya doon.
Actually, ito si Elospa shooter yan eh. Magandang kamay niyan. Kumukuha lang ng ano yan, ng timing yan. Tsaka nagpapainit pa yan. We'll see mamaya. Pagka medyo ano na ang chemistry ng team Mabalacat.
Tama naman doon, Direk Billy Ray, kasi last game nila, yung against Apalit, siya yung gumagawa yung mga first half nila.
Yes.
But then, nabaliktad kasi yung momentum ng game na yun eh. And here, ball possession for PORAC. Tubangi, nag-stuck yung bola doon. A jump ball.
Yes. A jump ball.
Almost a basket for Bayung PORAC. But then the ball
Same ball.
stuck on the rim. As Tubangi passes it to Gigante. Gigante almost missed it. Back to in and out. Ball possession, a turnover for Mabalacat. Elospa loses the ball.
He lost another turnover for Mabalacat. Ilang turnovers na rin ang kanila nagagawa.
Medyo mabilis yung game face nila dito because we're here at the 3 minutes and 14 seconds of our first quarter. 11-10. Gigante passes it to Elospa. Bangi rather, Gigante, 3-point shot, no good for Ramon Rodriguez, another turnover. Nice pass there, but a steal for the side of Bayung PORAC. To Bangi here, nice pass to Cruz. Once again for Tubang, Gigante.
A foul by Manaloto. Sayang. Sayang possession na yun.
A foul there for Stanley Canlas. Kapulong checks in for Joren Gigante. As 1 out of 2 for Stanley Canlas.
Tignan natin kung makukuha niyang pangalawang free throw.
We are tied at 11 with 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 2
There
out
you
of
go.
2 for Stanley Canlas. Elospa. Manaloto. A 3-point shot there and a foul.
Oy, takpo. Medyo
Against
mabigat yan.
JP Maliari.
3 free throw were rewarded by Tison. Tignan natin kung makukuha niya ang perfect 3. Oh,
1 out of 3. 0. Oh, out of 3 actually. For Joff Dison. 1 out of 3.
second try is good.
Two minutes and 18 seconds, and we are tied at 12. No good. 1 out of 3 for Joff Dison. But a putback there. Pero nakuha yun ng Bayung PORAC. An easy layup
Almost. For number 6.
for Ramon Rodriguez. But a sorry miss for him. He was still rewarded by a free throw for that foul. As Mabalacat is already at penalty.
Yes, penalty situation for Mabalacat.
1 out of 0, oh, out of 2 rather for Ramon Rodriguez.
No.
0 out of 2. Ball possession for Mabalacat. Dizon to Elospa. Elospa passes it to Manaloto.
Nice kick out.
No good. But a rebound there for Paul Maliari.
And the ball goes to PORAC.
Nagre-reklamo doon yung Mabalacat.
Oo.
JP Maliari. But here,
Very close call eh.
to Bangi. To Kapulong. Kapulong passes it to Cruz. The jumper is no good but a rebound there.
Oh,
As an offensive
kitang-kita. Nag-extend siya ng
foul
elbow.
there for Rafa
Kaya tinawag na
Kapulong.
offensive by number 23.
Let's take a look at the replay. Ayun no, nasiko niya talaga, Billy. 3-point shot is still no good for Mabalacat. Bangi loses the ball but managed to keep it back again on the side of PORAC. 3-point shot there for Kapulong. No good.
Good backs out by Maliari.
As we can see here, Head coach Homer Pascual of Mabalacat City MCG cares. As here, Dizon. Where will Dizon go? Dizon passes it to
Nice cut by Malyari.
Malyari.
Gandang dish out coming from MJ Elospa. Kaya nauwi sa perfect 2.
It was a nice play actually, seeing him having Paul Malyari on your side.
Yes.
32.9 seconds remaining. Namang ang Mabalacat dito. 14-12, 32.9 seconds for the first quarter. Timeout on the floor for Mabalacat. As we are now back at the 32.9 seconds, but take a look at this replay of these zone to Malyari. And he draws a foul in there.
Yes. Gandang duo ng dalawa talaga. Coming from the Luwid 1 boys.
And speaking of Luwid 1 Kapampangan, they already signed their contract for the upcoming
Yes.
23 under of Sinag Liga Asa
Yes.
yesterday.
Congratulations po,
With
Coach
Boss Rocky and
Jonathan
Boss Ray Alaw.
Buwan.
And an easy layup there for Gian Cruz. 16 seconds remaining, 15-14. Still in favor of Mabalacat City. Elospa. 7 seconds. What will Elospa do? A three-point shot.
Pull out.
Last
Ang gandang
shot
pull out naman nun.
for MJ Elospa.
Nice timing by MJ Elospa.
Wala kasi siyang bantay doon, Billy. Let's take a look at this one.
And pagpasok niyan, wala nang maritiran
Ang
oras niyan.
binabantayan kasi netong kapulong is si Malyari eh. But then
Yes,
hindi kasi
akala nila ikikikaw.
ina-expect.
Yes, i-dish out kay Malyari ulit. Pero hindi nila alam
What a
yan na
buzzer
malilibre si
beater.
Elospa.
Kaya naman, at the end of the first half, 18-40 is our score. As at the end of our first, mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asya. As we enter, as we can see here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, are the beautiful faces itong mga supporters ng Bayung PORAC. They're sitting behind the bench of Bayung PORAC. And at the end of the first quarter, 18-14 is our score, still in favor of Mabalacat. Elospa. And an easy basket there for Manaloto. Naku to Gagante. Pass it back to Naku. And Naku draws a three, no good. But a rebound there by Bayung PORAC. Still no good. A foul there for Canlas. Holding foul.
Gandang
against
box out nun. Coming
Stanley
from
Canlas.
Malyari.
Tama, Bili. Here, Dizon. Mukhang humugot na dito ang Mabalacat, ay ang Bayong Porac.
Halos hindi sila gano'n nagpalit ng, ng player. Na-retain pa rin si Malyari tsaka si Elospa and Manaloto.
Kasi naghahabol pa din sila, tama direct. 23-14, 8 minutes and 55. Gigante. No good.
Ayaw pa din.
Based on their game, nung huling laban nila against Apalit, I love it. As we take a look on this play by Dizon. A 3-point shot from Dizon over there.
Okay, fire by Dizon.
Ayun na, yung
Eto
inaantay natin. For Gigante, sasabihin ko pa lang, hindi siya, yung performance ng last game nila against Apalit
Oo.
is hindi kasing same kung ano yung pinapakita niya ngayon.
Let's see mamaya kung mag-iinit ng
Here.
tuloy-tuloy.
Gigante, what a spin. But still, sobrang active din ng defenders. Dizon passes it to
Kinapos
Malyari. Nice fake there.
Traveling.
Violation for JP Malyari.
Double pull up instead na one pull up or for the big man.
He's trying to fake in there.
Crush
Let's
the
take a look
board
at the
na lang.
replay. Pagkapasa kay ni Dizon kay Malyari.
Oh,
One,
ayan, oh.
two, and traveling violation
Yes.
whistle.
Malaki na siya. Hindi
By
niya na
referee
kailangan
Shaw.
tumake. Maliit lang yung nasa harapan niya. Iaangat niya na lang
Asir.
sana yun.
A put back there. Passes it back. A 3-point shot. No good. But Mabalacat
violation
stepped out of the line.
By number 19.
Kung ikaw yung isa sa mga coaching staff ng Mabalacat, Billy, what will you implement to your players for this ball game since tie kayo, nasa same standing kayo neto ng Bayong Porac?
Well, for me, unang-una, patatao ko kagad si Gigante para hindi ganong and masira kagad yung laro niya. Mapupustrate yan.
Bagay, isa kasi siya sa mga key players talaga
Yes, yes.
netong Bayong
Kaya
Porac.
you have to prevent
As
na makaiscore. Dahil pag nag-init yan, magtutuloy-tuloy yung momentum yan si
Yes,
Gigante.
we are back here. Nice pass there.
Oh,
But a
almost.
putback
But-
there for Blake Canlas.
Yes, good effort by Canlas. Hindi niya inalisan yung pwesto niya para makuha niya yung offensive rebound.
As here. A 3-point shot, no good for Mabalacat. Bounces to the tip of the board. 25-19 still in favor of Mabalacat City. MCG cares. 6 minutes and 33 seconds as Gian Cruz checks in again for this ball game.
On the floor.
Gigante. A traveling violation.
Yun ang nga ba
for Gian
sinasabi ko
Cruz.
kanina, lalo na sa mga big man. Pag maliit ang kaharap mo, hindi mo na kailangan pumake. Iaangat mo na lang yan dahil hindi na yan naaabot sa'yo.
Sobrang familiar for a guards or a centers
Yes.
na makakommit ng traveling violation eh. Here. Nice play there by Malyari. But a sorry miss for him.
Walang box out gaano ang Porac. Kaya
As a foul
nakakakuha
there.
ng mga rebounds ang mga big man ng
Take a look.
Oh?
May point ka doon, no? Kasi you look
Yeah.
here.
Kita mo si Gigante tuloy ang kumuha ng sa kanya.
Para kasi dito sa Mabalacat, you have here Kapulong, you have here Malyari, you also have here, you have 3 big man inside there. And then for the side of Bayong Porac, you still have here Cruz. And Canlas. It's an easy basket. Still no good, but a putback. Almost a putback, but a miss.
Yes.
For Tipino.
And there's a foul. Substitution.
As here, a substitution on the floor for Bayung Porac. Rodriguez checks in again for Rafa Capulong. First throw is no good for Elospa. 1 out of 2 for MJ Elospa.
Laking bagay din yun. Kahit isa man lang makuha mo sa free throw line.
Proven na yun, no? Yung mga free throw shootings is very much important. What a move there from Kenneth Naku underneath. Pabaliktad pa niya yung kinuha. Here. What will Mabalacat do? 4 minutes and 48 seconds, 27 to 21. Gigante to Cruz. A sorry pass for him.
Intercepted by number 10.
But a slip there over the hands
Sayang. Another turnover na naman for Mabalacat.
of Mabalacat.
Oh, libre.
Libreng-libre. But no good for him. Almost a steal for Gigante. Sobrang sipag neto ni Gigante na
Oo, yun talaga ang trabaho ng mga guards eh. Kailangan at the same na makuha nila yung ano.
Gigante, what will he do? He passes it to Cruz. Cruz against 2. And he has a basket
Nice spin by Cruz.
for Gian Cruz.
Tama lang yung ginawa niya. Isang ikot.
As you take a look here, Gigante faking a 3-point shot. Gian
Ikot.
Cruz against the 2.
Pinakiramdaman niya lang yung defender niya. Then inangat. Nakuha niya. 2 points.
3 minutes and 58 seconds. It's time out on the floor. 27 to 20.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Three minutes and 58 seconds. 27 to 23 still in favor of Mabalacat City. MCG cares as we can see here. Tristan Tubangi, one of the players who step up against their game against Apalit. I love it. Last Friday, but a traveling violation.
Oo. Turnover agad ang binigay. Medyo hindi magandang senyal kay...
If you are Mabalacat team, no, you won't give a turnover that much.
Yes.
For the team of Bayung
As
Porac.
much as possible sana. Oh, iwasan ang turnover. Napakalaking bagay niyan.
Against the 2. Miko, Gigante. Na-curious ako doon, Billy. Ako magkapatid ba itong si Miko Gigante tsaka itong si Joren Gigante, ah.
Oo nga, no?
Mamaya alamin
We'll see
natin.
later kung magkapatid niya talaga
Sa mga
sila.
nanonood po sa Facebook, baka po pwede niyo pong sabihin sa amin kung magkapatid po ba itong si Miko Gigante and Joren Gigante of Bayung Porac as an easy basket there for
Nice.
Tolentino.
Yes, nice effort by Tolentino. Follow up.
Cruz for 3, no good. But a slip there for Mabalacat. we see here. Underneath. Cruz
There you go.
makes a basket
Yes.
underneath.
Points in the paint by Cruz.
Here. Inside of Mabalacat. Valentino passes it. Basangan. Valentino.
Oh,
Back again.
nice pass.
Lost pa, but no good.
Hindi nga lang na-convert.
Sayang ang magandang pasa na yun. Nice
Eto,
pass
kabila.
din. And
Nice
a
pass.
good put up
May number
for
6.
Gian Cruz. 29-27. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Mabalacat
Ganda
with 2
pa.
minutes and 1 second. And a steal there for Bayung Porac. Rodriguez on the drive. And he draws a foul
Nice.
after that basket.
Nice pass break by number 24, Lapus.
Ramon Rodriguez. As we take a look at this replay, Rodriguez against Mabalacat.
Oh, unselfish play.
He knew that it will go in and alam din niya na may foul yun. And a bonus free throw for Ramon Rodriguez. But no good. And rebound for Mabalacat. We're tied at 29. Ito yung sinasabi sa akin ni Enzo, yung Ramoncito na maganda yung pangalan niya. Tubangi. Tubangi for 3. In and out. Elospa. Where will Elospa go? Dinerecho na yan, but no good. Nakuha pa dito ni Miko Gigante. And here, Tubangi.
Foul by Manaloto. Hindi niya gano'ng na-depensahan si Tobangi. Kaya nakapakuha siya ng...
We're still tied at 29 with 1 minute and 13. And the first free throw is good as we take a look at this replay. Na tumama
Sumabit.
sa kamay nito.
Mawit. Sayang.
2 out of 2 for Tristan Tubangi as a substitution on the floor for the side of Mabalacat.
And Malyari, napasok.
Malyari checks in again. From being up by 8 points, biggest lead of the ball game, ngayon behind na ng 2 points itong Mabalacat City. There's a foul there against Tristan Tubangi. Take a look on how he draw that foul. As no, akala ni Malyari dito is meron siyang free throw, but
Wala pang
wala pang
penalty ang
penalty.
both teams.
Here, Mabalacat trying to tie this ball game. Still no good. Tubangi again. Passes it to Cruz. Almost a miss for Cruz. What a spin. But he missed it.
Ayun na, wala na nag-backs out.
Sayang yun for Gian Cruz. As we can see here, Coach Omer Pascual. What a spin there.
Gandang slash naman nun by
For
Dizon.
29.3 seconds. We are tied at timeout on the floor. We are tied at 31. 29.3 seconds remaining for our first half. And of course po mga kabalen, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. As we can see here, Tubangi. A ball possession for the side of Bayung PORAC. We are tied at 31. 21 seconds remaining. No shot clock here.
Ito, for sure, last shot kukuha nilang PORAC to. We'll see kung makukuha nilang possession na to.
Tubangi.
Oh!
What a save! What a move for Tristan Tubangi.
There you go. Gandang slash naman ni Tubangi.
What a finish there for Tubangi. 5.1 seconds. What will Mabalacat do? Dizon on the drive!
Oh.
And he ties this ball
There's a
game
goal
of
lang
buzzer
bumantay kay
beater
Dizon.
for Dizon. We are tied at 23. As we can see here, his last move. Grabe yun
Di
for
kinuha
Jock
kaagad ni Cruz.
Dizon.
Kaya nakakuha kaagad ng easy layup to si Dizon.
Parang nilagay na lang niya yun doon eh. But again, we are tied here at 33 City of Mabalacat kontra Bayung PORAC. Kaya mga kabalen, tutok lang po tayo as magbabalik po kami for the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. of the first half, we are tied at 33 for Bayung, Porac, and City of Mabalacat. As we take a look here at the halftime highlights, a 3-point shot from MJ Elospa. Another 3-point shot there for the side of Mabalacat, of Bayung Porac rather. Here, a nice pass there, and a nice putback there for Cruz. And this 3-point shot from Dizon from way downtown. And another one, a nice pass there, and a nice layup for Cruz. And this one, parang binato lang yun doon ni Dizon, but it's an easy layup for him. Our leading scorers of the halftime for Mabalacat, we have Dizon with 12, Elospa with 10, Malyari with 5, and for the side of Porac, we have Cruz with 10, Rodriguez with 9, and Tubangi with 4. Once again po, ako po, Penelope Wilhelmina, makakasama nyo pa din, and together with me is Billy Ray De Leon.
Si Gigante halos hindi pa nag-iinit, kaya hindi pa natin nakitang nag-appear sa leading scorers natin for this first half.
Tama, kasi last time, nung halftime na yan, nung last game nila, nandun na siya sa leading scorer.
Kaya nga, medyo malamig siya ngayon.
A double points for him. But now, let's take a look at this one. Mabalacat, Dizon passes it. A nice pass there to Elospa. Nice move there, but a sorry miss for MJ Elospa. A violation there for the side of Bayung Porac.
Ang ating quarter score for Mabalacat and Porac. 18 and 14. At ito naman second quarter at tied at 33.
What a good first half for both teams. As here, Dizon passes it. Nice pass by Dizon. What a selfless play there.
Nalito na si Cruz dun, kaya nakakuha ng magandang pasa. And then, puntos itong Mabalacat.
Kasi akala niya si Dizon yung titira.
Oo, nalito na si Cruz eh.
Tubangi. You see that move from Tubangi. As here, Mabalacat, 8 minutes and 33 seconds, 35 to 33 lamang na naman dito ang Mabalacat. Dizon, nice pass, but sa Porac na napasa yun, Tubangi. Almost a nice layup for Tubangi. No good. Malyari, nice drive there by JP Malyari.
Gandang galaw ni Malyari doon. Hindi man lang niya kinuha at inarap si Malyari. Kaya itong si Cruz nakatayo lang talaga. Yung offender niya nakalusot tuloy.
Tama. But that 3-point shot is no good for Elospa. No luck this time. Malyari passes it to Elospa. Malyari throws the ball. And it's out of bounds. Ball possession. Jordan Gigante out of
Pinahinga
for
muna
this
si Gigante.
time. Kapulong passes it back to Kapulong. Kapulong to Hernandez. Hernandez, no good. Balik ang bola dito to Bangi. Almost a steal there. Nabato na lang niya doon, but a foul there for JP Malyari.
Nakaabang na si Malyari doon eh. Yun nga lang, pagharap ni Tubangi na.
Let's take a look at the replay there.
Wala na siya nagawa kundi bumangga na lang sa Malyari.
Pero on your point of view as a basketball enthusiast, diba, it's better ba to contest or hayaan na lang na libreng tumira?
Hindi, kailangan masyado siyang nakaangat eh. Dapat medyo lubog siya ng konti kasi big man siya eh.
6 minutes and 53 seconds. We're still tied at 37 as another turnover for Mabalacat. Here to Bangi. Passes it Rodriguez. Tubangi passes it. A three-point shot, no good. Pero nasa panic pa din ito ng Bayung PORAC. Tubangi. Tatlo yon.
Oh! Medyo nag-extend si Malyari doon ng elbow. Kaya tinawagan ng referee. As you can see here, ayan, hawak niya na eh. Pag-feed niya, ayan.
Six minutes and 28 seconds as we can see here. Tristan Tubangi. Malyari, his
Ayan
third
na nga,
personal foul.
tinawagan na si Malyari.
Cruz. What will Cruz do? Passes it to Rodriguez. Rodriguez. Back to Tubangi. Tubangi passes it. And a nice layup. Nilagay na lang na doon yung bola. For Rafa Capulong. Elospa. What will Elospa do? And an easy basket for MJ Elospa.
No big man help there. Kaya naka-atake ng maayos nung si Elospa.
Elospa against the four defenders in there. Tubangi passes it again to Rodriguez. Rodriguez, binato na lang. But then, another ball possession for side of Mabalacat. Natapik yun ni Elospa. Dumulas yun eh. Kamay niya eh.
Kala natin makukuha pa ni Elospa ang bola.
5 minutes and 34 seconds. We are tied at 39. Actually, a good first half eh, mabilis.
Oo. Nagdikit na sila eh.
From being up by 8, biggest lead of the ball game, 8 points in first half. Now, still tied at 39.
Kaya malaking bagay talaga
Elospa.
ingatan ng turnovers.
That layup is no good. But a line violation
Sayang
for
yung layup
JP
ni Manaloto
Malyari.
doon.
So you can see here, Tristan Tubangi. And the intensity of the crowd from Bayung PORAC. Fake there by Rafa Capulong. That three-point shot is not good for Ramonchito Rodriguez.
Airball. Akala niya malilibre siya sa tira na yun.
And here, 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining. We're still tied at 39. Malyari. Basket counted for Malyari.
Oo, wala man lang kumuha kay Malyari ron.
I thought for the side, feeling ko kasi yung side, yung tingin ng side ng mga players dito ng Bayung PORAC. At you take a look in here at the replay. Hindi ine-expect neto ni Cruz eh, that Malyari will
Akala niya
drive.
ipapasa niya eh.
The bonus free throw here for JP Malyari, 41-39. The bonus free throw is no good. Lamang dito ng dalawa ang Mabalacat. As Tubangi passes it, a three, libreng tira para dito kay Alfie Ocampo. Para steal there by JP Malyari. Ocampo. And a foul there.
Ang liit
For drop,
ng
Dizon.
defender ni Cruz doon para iangat niya. Si Dizon lang ang humarap sa kanya.
Look at the height difference of Dizon to
Yes.
Cruz. 0 out of 2 for Gian Cruz. One out of 2 for Gian Cruz. 41-40. Isa na lang ang inahabol dito
Close game ulit.
ng Bayung Porac. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining with 9 on the shot clock. Mabalacat, Elaspa. What will Elaspa do? He goes here for a 3-point shot. No good. For Rainier, Basangan.
Ganda ng
Tristan
back shot
Tubangi.
ng Porac.
Where will Tubangi go? And a foul there for Tristan Tubangi. For Tristan Tubangi, no, given that his height difference dito sa mga defenders ng Mabalacat, he's quite a tough player. Matapang na bata. Itong si Tristan Tubangi. As here, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 41-40. Timeout on the floor. As we can see here, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 41-40, still in favor of Mabalacat City MCG Cares. We can see here Cruz. Two free throws rewarded to Tristan Tubangi. 0 out of 2.
Kanina pa sila nagbiminti sa free throw.
A very crucial part for them since nga sobrang dikit lang ng
Yes,
laban
yes.
ito. Eh, no?
Oo. Importante talaga yung mga free throw lines na yan. Dapat nako-convert nila yan into points.
Narinig ata tayo pinasok yung free throw bini. 1 out of 2 for Tristan Tubangi on that free throw shooting. As your JP Maleari. No good for Rainier Basangan. Tubangi against Basangan. Another foul there for Tristan Tubangi. If you're the defender neto ni Tristan Tubangi, hindi mo na lang talaga gugustuhin pang sabayan yan eh. As I've mentioned earlier.
Kasi mabilis talaga si Tubangi. Mahirap siyang bantayan.
If Lubao has Mr. Everything CJ Delfino, one thing na meron itong si Coach Arvin Ibay ay itong si Tristan Tubangi.
Yes.
Out of 2 for Tristan Tubangi.
No backs out there by Mabalacat.
As Bayung Porac draws another foul in there. As we can see here, Arcilia not happy with that call.
Hindi niya binaksot na maayos si Cruz kaya nakakuha ng offensive rebound.
Cruz is much taller than him, so it's
Yes.
an opportunity actually for Gian Cruz.
There you go. Nakuha niya na una.
As we can take a look at the replay here. One out of 2 for Gian Cruz. But a putback there
Good
by
effort there
Stanley
by Porac.
Canlas. This guy is different. I thought it would be a possession for Mabalacat, but then Stanley Canlas is
Tulak
there for the
May
putback.
tulak na nakita sila rep.
As a
Tingnan natin.
review
Yes, a review.
of the last play. You can see here JP Maleari
Yes, that call is away from the ball. So tignan natin
together
kung ano yung
with
tatawag
Joff
na referee.
Dizon. And here, MJ Elospa. 41-45. Now in favor of Bayung Porac with 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. As we take a look here on the replay.
Oo, nabigyan ng kamay ng extension.
As let's take a look on what will the referee.
Kaya
Ball
natawagan
possession.
ng foul.
Goes to Mabalacat. Bansangan give it to David. Back to Basangan. Basangan to Elospa. Elospa draws a three. It goes in and out. To Bangi. Mr. Clutch for Bayung Porac. To Bangi to Dizon. To Cruz rather. Cruz passes it. But a sorry miss for Stanley Canlas. Nasobran doon yung pasa dito.
Pa-turnover ulit by David. Akala niya makukuha ng kakampi niya yung bola.
Sobra yung pasa doon ni JD David. To Bangi. Passes it again to Kapulong. Kapulong to Ocampo. Ocampo with one handed, no good. But Canlas is there for a putback. Cruz. Cruz to Ocampo. Back to Tristan to Bangi. No good, a three-point shot, but there is the Stanley Canlas again for the rebound. Libreng-libre dito si Ralph Kapulong. Still no good. Rebound again for Tristan to Bangi. And a two-point shot there for
Box
Tristan
out
to
there
Bangi.
by Malyari. Kaya nakakuha pa ng offensive board si Tubangi.
And now 47-41, biggest lead of Bayung Porac with 1 minute and 23 seconds. Three-point shot is no good for Mabalacat. And there it is again. I told you, do not try to stop a Tristan Tubangi when he is running like that.
Good foul there by David. Ininto niya yung momentum ng Porac. Dahil alam nila, for sure, i-score na naman tong kabilang team na to.
But here, 0-2 for Tristan Tubangi. One out of two for Tristan Tubangi, 48-41. 7-point lead advantage for Bayung Porac, biggest lead of their team for this ball game. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Basangan. Basangan passes it to Elospa. Elospa loses it, but a foul there for Alfie Ocampo.
Akala niya nasundot niya na yung bola. Pero ito, tinawagan na lang si Canlas ng foul.
Bakit again? A three-point shot there. No good for Mabalacat, but a foul there. No foul there. I thought there is.
If I'm not mistaken, parang pangatlong airball na ng Mabalacat yan sa
Yes,
3 points.
Billy, tama. Here, Tristan Tubangi. Three-point shot for Cruz, but a rebound there by Stanley Canlas. Kapulong passes it back to Tubangi. Tubangi to Cruz again. What a move there by Gian Cruz, but he misses the ball out of his hands. Here, Elospa. What will Elospa do? Passes it to JP
Oh.
Maliari.
Medyo delikado yung talon niya dun.
It's a pushing foul against Ralph Kapulong as we take a look at the replay here. Tumama siya sa likod.
Nakakala niya iaangat na lang kagad ni Malyari.
Joren Gigante checks in for Rafa Capulong. Oh, and 2 for JP Maliari. Oh, and 2 for JP Maliari. And a ball possession for the side of Bayung PORAC with 9.8 seconds remaining. What will Tubangi do? Passes it to Stanley Calas, and Stanley Calas put a basket there!
Wala lang nagawa yung number 12 doon, si Arcilia, kundi panoorin na lang si Tubangi.
What a shot there for Stanley Calas, having only 1.8 seconds to take a look at this one. That pass of Tristan Tubangi and that move from Stanley Calas rather. 50-41 at the end of the third quarter. Still now in favor of Bayung PORAC. We can see here the beautiful faces inside the GUIAO Convention Center. And here, of course, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Here's mga friends and supporters ng mga taga-Bayung PORAC at Mabalacat. Si MC, nandun pala sila sa likod ng ating officials kaya nakikita nila. Ayan, they're waving now their hands.
Hello sa ating 600 viewers sa ating Pampanga PIO. Magandang hapon po muli sa inyo.
Magandang hapon po mga kabalan. As we can see here, Joren Gigante checks in again for this ball game. Billy, Joren Gigante has been quiet for this ball game.
Oo nga, hindi natin ma-assure kung ano nangyari sa nilalaro niya today. Sobrang lamig. Na halos hindi mo siya maramdaman.
As we can see here, the bench of Mabalacat securing their play, starting this with 8 points advantage. Yun yung biggest lead nila against Bayung PORAC. And now, 50-41 at the end of the third quarter. Ang kalamangan dito ng Bayung PORAC, their biggest lead of the ball game.
And dapat
Let's see here. What will Joren Gigante do, Billy?
Yes, dapat maawatan nila yung 9 points nila.
Kala ko magsastop na naman yun dun eh. You can see here, Gigante passes it to Cruz. Cruz almost loses the ball and he loses it. A turnover for Elospa. And a shot there for MJ Elospa. Kakabanggit ko lang kanina siya mga hinahabol nila at let's take a look at this. That move from MJ Elospa.
Oo, wala na nagawa si Nako dun, kundi tayuan na lang si Elospa.
9 minutes and 27, 50-45. 9 minutes and 27 seconds. In the span of only 23 seconds, nababa na itong Mabalacat ang kanilang kalamangan sa 5. But then Zian Cruz said, dagdagan pa natin ito with that easy basket for him.
Nalito na si Malyari dun, kaya nakakuha na ng 2 points ang PORAC.
And let's see, take a look. Tubangi passes it. And a nice assist there for Ramoncito Rodriguez.
Another pass
Tignan mo
break
yung sipag
points.
neto ni Tristan Tubangi. And a foul there for Ramoncito Rodriguez. Alam mo, Billy, yung naalala ko sa pangalang Ramoncito. Sabi ni Enzo kasi yung lolo daw ni Direk Nomar yun yung pangalan. The ball still in the hands of Mabalacat with 8 minutes and 42 seconds. JP Maliari, but a block there.
There's a call.
But there's a call
Yes, there's a call.
before the shot clock runs out. And free throw rewarded to MJ Elospa. If you are Bayung PORAC, you won't give this guy a chance to score in the free throw line.
Nahirap mag-init si MJ Elospa.
As 2 out of 2 for MJ Elospa. 54 to 47. 8 minutes and 35 seconds.
Malaking bagay yun para sa Mabalacat na makuha nila ang 2 free throw na
Stanley
yun.
Canlas, the jumper is no good. And a rebound there for MJ Elospa. Elospa! Ipapasa na dapat yun, but then nakuha yun ng PORAC. A drive from Cruz and he draws a foul.
Wala nang nagawa si number 10 doon, kundi awatin na lang yung tira ni Cruz.
It's a foul on Nico Tepino. One out of 2 for Gian Cruz. A possession for the side of Mabalacat. Elospa.
Oh, turnover there by Elospa. Sayang ang possession na yun.
Medyo lumakas doon yung pasa ni Elospa eh. Pero libre-libre si Malyari doon eh, kasi medyo malayo sa kanya yung defender dito ng PORAC.
Yes.
As here, Tristan Tubangi, the Mr. Clutch, passes it! He's good eye! He'll know na kapag siya yung sumalaksak noon, hindi niya yun makukuha, but then he passes it. Tristan Canlas, take a look at here. Braso yung tinamaan doon.
Braso.
1 out of 2 for Tristan Canlas. Stanley Canlas, rather. Nakakalito yung pangalan nila magkakatunog. Tristan Tubangi, Stanley Canlas. 1 out of 2 for Tristan. Stanley Canlas, rather. MJ Elospa. Elospa. Almost a block there, but he passes it and a miss there. And a put back there. Great job, Dizon.
Binax out na ni Cruz si
Tubangi.
Malyari.
But a miss there for Rodriguez. JP Malyari with an easy put back there.
Wala na nagawa si Cruz doon, kundi panoorin nila si Malyari umangat.
Here, Gigante.
Offensive foul ang tinawag. Ang lamig talaga ni Gigante ngayon.
As as we mentioned earlier, hindi nga talaga maganda yung laro na pinapakita ngayon dito ni Gigante, Gigante, given his performance nga yung last game nila.
Sobrang lamig niya ngayon.
But a nice steal there from Tristan Tubangi to Rodriguez!
Gandang execution there by Tubangi.
Yes. No, Billy, one thing that is great for this Bayung PORAC, they know na hindi okay yung laro neto ni Gigante. Here, Tristan Tubangi together with Rodriguez, no? They're stepping up for Bayung PORAC.
Yes, buti si Tubangi nag-i-step up for Gigante. Kaya kahit pa paano nakakuha ng magandang assist ang PORAC.
And a foul there against John Dizon. As we take a look on the replay here. That nice move there from him earlier. Here, Tubangi almost misses it. Rodriguez. Ramoncito Rodriguez passes it, no good. A turnover.
Ang layo ng tira na yun. Para sa PORAC.
Here. Mabalacat still behind by 5 points. 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter. Dizon passes again to Elospa. Elospa, 3-point shot, and a 3-point shot buzzer beater for MJ Elospa.
Ganda ng screen dun para makatira si
58
Elospa.
to 56 in an easy basket for Mr. Everything, Mr. Clutch, Tristan Tubangi.
Ang hirap awatin ni Tubangi ngayon.
Missed there. 5 minutes and 10 seconds, 60 to 56 still in favor of Bayung PORAC. Tristan Tubangi here. Where will he go? The toughest decisions for the last 4 minutes and 57 seconds for this point guard. Nice move there. And the 3-point shot for Rodriguez, no good. Almost a rebound there for Cruz.
Gandang box out ni Malyari. Coming from Cruz.
Elospa passes it. What a 3-point shot for Rainier Basangan. Nakita siya doon ni Elospa na libreng-libre.
Libreng-libre.
60 to 59, isa na lang ang nahabol. And a ball possession for the side of Mabalacat City. What a pass there! And a foul!
Good assist there.
That shot for Mabalacat City.
Gandang assist nun coming from MJ Elospa. Nakita niya maliit yung nakabantay sa kanya.
Let's take a look at this replay. Elospa passes it to Dizon. And Dizon.
Good kick out there by MJ Elospa.
This makes it 61 to 60 with 4 minutes and 16 seconds remaining.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
We are now back. As we take a look here on the replay, a 3-point shot of Rainier Basangan and a great pass from MJ Elospa.
Tinignan ng mga referee, dinouble check nila kung talagang nakastep
3-point
ba.
yun eh. But no medyo malayo talaga sa linya nun, si Rainier Basangan. Here, 61-60 in favor of Mabalacat City MCG Cares.
Yung may buzzer beater daw, direct, yun ba yun?
And a review again for the side of Bayung PORAC. Pinapa-review dito na yung... So, take a look here. They're challenging the three-point shot of MJ Elospa. As we take a look here at the bench, seeing the bench of Bayung PORAC, they challenged here the three-point shot of MJ Elospa earlier.
Yes, Coach Arvin
The
asking
buzzer
for
beater three-point shot of MJ Elospa. He did it twice this ball game.
So 2 points lang ang tinawag ng
A
referee.
good challenge there. Let's take a look at this replay.
Oo.
Nakatapak nga doon si MJ
Kitang-kita
Elospa.
nga, oo.
That's why a good challenge for Coach Arvin Ibay of Mabalacat City.
Yes, good call by Coach Arvin Ibay.
So we are just here at a tied ball game, 60.
Malaking bagay nga naman
A
yun.
big point, of course.
Yes.
What
There
a
you go.
challenge
Upper
for
official
Coach
score.
Arvin Ibay. Dito, totoo, 61-60 na talaga tayo. It's very rare, no, Billy, for a coach to see that, eh, no?
Oo, sobra.
But then the eyes of Coach Arvin Ibay, very spectacular at this moment. Almost a basket there, but still on their side. Oh, a missed pass there. Napasa niya yun kay JP Maliari. Maliari to Elospa. Elospa passes it to MJ Elospa. Almost a block there, pero sumabit dito.
Wala na nagawa ang PORAC doon, kundi fumaul na lang.
Sumabit doon si Rafa Kapulong. Three minutes and 42 seconds, 61-60 in favor of Mabalacat City. The 1-point lead advantage is care of that free throw shooting kanina ni Dizon. And here, 62-60. 1 out of 2 for MJ Elospa. The second throw is not good for him. Tristan Tobangi. Tobangi passes it to Cruz. Cruz against JP Maliari. And a nice steal there for JP Maliari. Nakaabang din doon. Itong si JV David. And a nice steal there for Tristan Tobangi. This guy has been everything for Bayung PORAC. Not a basket for Bayung PORAC, but he draws a foul in there against Dizon.
Ganda ng ginawa ng number 23 doon. Pinilit niya ipasok yung dahil maliit lang ang defender niya na si Dizon.
Here. Labas muna si Dizon. Rafa Kapulong. No good on their first shot.
Dalaking bagay itong free throw na to para sa kanila.
62-60. Imagine if na-draw niya yung dalawang free throw shot na yan. This ties against our ball game to 62.
Yes, to 62.
But then he misses the first. Second throw is good for Rafa Kapulong. 62-61 with 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. 17 on the shot clock. What a move there. What a miss for Mabalacat City. And a ball possession for Bayung PORAC.
Sayang yung possession na yun. Pandagdag lamang sana ng Mabalacat.
Yes, Billy, in this crucial moments, possession, every possession is very important. Tristan Tubangi. Tristan Tubangi sees his teammate there being free. And another one there. Tristan Tubangi passes it. But a missed pass there for Tristan Tubangi. Elospa. Elospa. And a block there from Gian Cruz.
Tawag sa ilalim. Si Elospa, yun, bumagsak.
But there, MJ Elospa. Pinulikat si MJ Elospa. Wala kasing masyadong pahinga dito eh, si MJ Elospa.
Yes,
Gamit
yan ang
na gamit
mahirap
siya
sa
dito.
ano eh.
Ni Coach Omar Pascual.
Pag di mo ganong nilalabas ang player eh. At least kahit paano kailangan nakakapagtubig yan.
That's what happened to
Yes.
CJ Delfino earlier in their game.
Oo, kanina, di ba? At least man lang kahit 2 minutes, ipagpahinga
As
mo
we
yung
take a
player
look
mo.
at the replay,
Yun, medyo hindi niya na ano yung pagbagsak niya. And medyo may kabigatan to si MJ kaya kahit paano mahirapan talaga siya i-elevate yung pagbagsak niya.
totoo. And here, parang pagpapahingahin na siya ngayon ni head coach Omar Pascual.
Medyo hirap siya, ika-ika siyang lumakad.
He needs to stay hydrated. So you can see here, Coach Omar Pascual of Mabalacat City tapping
He need to rest. Kahit 1 minute man lang sana.
MJ Elospa. But that 1 minute can be a big loss for Mabalacat City.
Yes, yes.
One of the trusted guys, Coach Omar Pascual, is MJ Elospa. Let's see here what will Mabalacat do.
Oh,
I told you,
hindi sila
Billy,
aware.
it's a different scenario losing MJ
Shot clock
Elospa.
violation called there by Mabalacat.
I think they hear it naman eh. Kasi in-announce yun ng ating venue announcer that ilang seconds na lang yung titira
Yes.
para sa kanilang shot clock. JP Malyari against Cruz. And here, a defender. Malyari passes it.
Down
Almost
to
a
2
steal there
minutes.
for Tubangi. No good. Ball possession, Tristan Tubangi. But a miss there for him.
No
And
call there.
a steal there. Stanley Canles, still no good.
Ayaw pa din.
JP Malyari here against Tristan Tubangi. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Libreng-libre dito si Arcilia.
Ganda ng kick out doon kay Arcillas.
Arcilia coming off the bench. He was a substitute for MJ Elospa. Sumagot dito ng tres. Si Tristan Tubangi.
Oo, walang bantay si Tubangi doon. Libreng-libre kaya pinull out niya. Ang tira na yun.
We can hear this. The defense mula sa crowd ng Bayung PORAC. And a miss there. A sorry miss there for Mabalacat City. A miss pass there for Cruz.
Sayang yung possession na yun for
A
Cruz.
sorry miss possession for Cruz. Tristan Tubangi being still active here.
Very
Against
important.
Bansaman. 29 seconds remaining with 8 on the shot clock for Mabalacat. What will Mabalacat do? Bansangan against Tubangi. And here, Nandez, still no good. Cruz, here, still there.
A jump ball
A
called
jump ball
by referee.
But on the side of Bayung PORAC with 6.5 seconds. Let's take a look at the replay here. The three-point shot of Arcilia. Bangi!
Kailangan ng PORAC.
A ball game. What a ball game here. 6.5 seconds remaining. 65 to 64. Lamang ang Mabalacat.
Sayang yung dalawang possession ng PORAC doon.
Lamangan yung laro nila kanina, but then simula nung pumasok tayo sa third quarter. As we can see here, let's review the team standing. Here, Mabalacat City is on the 6th spot together with Bayung PORAC with 3 wins
sila
and
ng
4
standings.
losses. Whoever wins this game ay mananatili sa pang-anim na spot.
Yes. Kaya very important tong game na to para sa
And
kanila.
the one will lose ay mananatili doon sa 7th spot natin dito. Grabe. Words can't express or show how much this game, how good this game is. A ball possession for the side of Bayung PORAC. With Tubangi on the outbound.
Tignan natin kung anong gagawin ng PORAC dito.
What will Tubangi do? Tristan Tubangi passes it. Tubangi drives. And the 2-point shot for Tristan Tubangi makes it 66 to 65.
Walang
Now
kumuha
in
dun.
favor of Bayung PORAC.
Walang kumuha man lang kay Tubangi sa pasok niya na yun. Halos 3 yung nilusutan niya dun eh.
And big guys pa, ha? Yung malalaking defenders pa.
Yes.
A little emotion there. Let's take a look at the replay here. The man of the second. It almost goes out, but then nandun na yun. Sa loob ng ring, and a little emotion for Tristan Tubangi. The hero.
Sinide-step niya pa si Malyari doon, tsaka si Manaloto.
The hero for today's ball game for the side of Bayung PORAC. But let's see. A lot can happen. A lot can still happen at 1.4 seconds.
Very brave.
Still have time. Mabalacat still have time in here. 66 to 65.
Ganda ng step up na ito ni Tubangi na alam niyang si Gigante napakalamig sa laro nila ngayon. Kaya
It's a good step up for Tristan Tubangi, the hero of the game for Bayung PORAC. Grabe. 1.4 seconds. As another time out there for the side of Mabalacat City. Sinesecure na nila talaga dito ang last play nila with Coach Omer Pascual. As you can see here, Tepino, Manaloto, and Arcilia here. But my question is here, Bilia. Can we see MJ Elospa comes in for Coach Omer Pascual?
Oo, after ng bagsak niya kanina. Tignan natin kung ipapasok siya ngayon.
But there is no timeout left for both teams. 1.4 seconds.
18 points now by Tubangi. Tignan natin kung madedepensahan ba nila ng maigi itong Mabalacat.
Let's see here what will be the final judgment of Mabalacat City.
Napakahirap na offense ng transition ito sa 1.4 seconds.
An inbound by Tepino here to Elospa. What will Elospa do?
Almost.
No good for MJ Elospa.
Yes, almost for MJ.
Minadali niya doon but then wala na siyang choice.
Wala na, 1.4 na lang kasi talagang oras.
1.4 seconds na lang ang meron siya para mabato ang basketball. 66 to 65. What a ball game. And as I mentioned earlier, the winner for this ball game will advance at magsosole siya sa 6th spot natin on the bracket A. And here, Bayung PORAC wins over Mabalacat City, 66-65. What a ball game here for Bayung PORAC, coming from a heartbreaking loss nila sa palit. At ngayon, kasama ko na nga ang ating best player of the game for Bayung PORAC, Tristan Tubangi, the hero of the game for today's ball game. Tristan, coming short sa game ninyo dito sa kapalit kahapon. And medyo malamig dito si Joren Gigante. Ano ang nagbigay sa iyo ng inspirasyon to be the hero of this ball game?
Sinabihan ko sila na magtulong-tulong lang kami at mag-focus sa laro na to para makabawi kami sa last game namin.
Yung last 3-point shot mo doon, what does make you feel?
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, bahala na kung ma-shoot man o hindi, at least binigay ko yung best ko.
What a ball game for you, Tristan. Alam ko, madaming sumusuporta sa'yo. Hindi lang dito, pati na rin sa mga nanonood sa atin sa live streaming. Baka may mga gusto kong batiin.
Binabati ko nga pala yung mama ko na nasa abroad. At yung girlfriend ko at yung mama niya na nagbigay na suporta ngayon. At
once again, that's Tristan Tubangi from Bayung PORAC. Again, 66-65. Now, Bayung PORAC is still on the number 6 spot at bababa ang Mabalacat City dito sa ating standing. Makes it them on the 7th seed of the ball game against Bayung PORAC win against Mabalacat City. And here, next game is up next. Coming up next is One Magalang Basketball kontra Municipality of Arayat. As we can see here, once again, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Narad, and Direk Billy Ray De Leon, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and this is your Delta Cup 2023 to 2024. I'm saying goodbye and see you later.